The Triumph Bonneville Speedmaster, a modern classic in the world of motorcycles, embodies heritage and contemporary engineering. Born from the iconic Bonneville line, this model pays homage to its 1960s predecessor while incorporating cutting-edge technology. With a powerful 1200cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a thrilling ride, balancing performance and comfort. Its distinctive cruiser styling, low seat, and forward foot pegs offer a relaxed riding position perfect for long-distance journeys. The Speedmaster boasts advanced features like ride-by-wire, ABS, traction control, and multiple riding modes, ensuring a seamless and safe riding experience. Its classic twin-shock chassis provides stability while maintaining that authentic cruiser look. Additionally, this bike offers a range of customization options, allowing riders to tailor it to their preferences.